there is a lot of maintenance going on in the city right now. As we already reported, the Ponte Vecchio is being prepared for a major renovation. Pontoons are used to inspect the lowest part of the bridge right now. Some 2 months ago, a start was made with the renovation of the equestrian statue of Duke Cosimo, and it is well underway. But due to unforeseen circumstances, the statue of David and the two so-called termini on the left and right side of the entrance of the palazzo are also being cleaned, but way sooner than was planned. What happened? On March 11, the mayor of Florence placed a black cloth over the David to show the solidarity of the Florentines with the people of the Ukraine. That night, a right-wing supporter of the Russian attack on the Ukraine set fire to the cloth. That produced so much smoke and soot that the two termini and the statue of Hercules and Cacus were blackened, but the most damage, of course, was done to the David. Already 3 weeks now, a team of specialists are working on both the termini and David. As soon as those statues are restored, the same team will begin the cleanup of the Hercules. Oh, and to be complete in our reporting, the man who set fire to the cloth was arrested and awaits trial. We are very curious what his punishment will be.